Welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 16 of your daily English speaking practice series. You've already learned how to introduce yourself, describe your day, talk about feelings, share opinions, and even give advice in English. That's real progress, so take a deep breath and be proud of yourself. Today's lesson is about a very practical topic: asking for and offering help in English. This is something you'll use almost every day, at home, at work, or while traveling. Let's begin today's story and learn English that truly speaks from the heart. It was a rainy morning, and Rina was rushing to her university. She looked at the sky and said, "Oh no, I forgot my umbrella again." She sighed and tried to cover her head with her bag. When she reached the gate, her clothes were half wet. Just then, she saw a classmate named David standing near the entrance. He noticed her and smiled. "Hey, Rina, you look like you need some help." Rina laughed. "Yeah, I forgot my umbrella. It's one of those mornings." David said kindly, "Here, share mine. We can walk together." They walked side by side under the small umbrella, trying to not get wet. As they walked, Rina said, "Thank you so much. You really saved me today." David replied, "No problem. You can help me next time." Later in class, Rina realized she had forgotten her pen too. She whispered, "Oh no, not again." Her friend Anika noticed and asked, "Need a pen?" Rina smiled, "Yes, please. I always forget something." Anika laughed, "Don't worry, that's what friends are for." After class, Rina thought about her day. She had needed help twice, and people around her had offered it kindly. She realized something important: helping others and asking for help both make you more human and more connected. Now, let's learn some polite ways to ask for help in English. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Could you help me, please? Can you give me a hand? Would you mind helping me? I need a little help, please. Can I ask you something? Sorry to bother you, but could you help me? Do you know how to fix this? These phrases are polite and easy to use. When you ask for help, remember to smile and use a friendly tone. Kindness in your voice makes your English sound natural. Now let's practice how to offer help to others. Repeat after me. Can I help you? Do you need any help? Would you like me to do that for you? Can I give you a hand? Let me help you with that. Is there anything I can do? Don't worry, I've got this. Simple but powerful phrases. You can use them with friends, coworkers, or even strangers. Helping others shows confidence and kindness, two signs of good English speakers. Now, let's practice some mini dialogues in real conversation. A. Could you help me carry this bag? B. Sure, let me help you. A. Would you mind showing me how this works? B. Not at all. Here, I'll show you. A. I can't find my way to the station. B. No problem, I'll walk with you. Try repeating these dialogues several times, then change the situation. Maybe you're at a store, in the library, or using a computer. Practice both roles, asking and offering. That evening, when Rina returned home, she found her younger brother struggling with his homework. He looked frustrated. She smiled and asked, "Do you need any help?" He nodded quickly. "Yes, please. I don't understand this math problem." Rina sat beside him and explained it step by step. After 10 minutes, he finally understood and said, "Thanks, Rina, you're the best." Rina laughed. "See, helping others feels nice." She thought about the morning again. David helped her with the umbrella, Anika helped her with the pen, and now she helped her brother. It was like a full circle of kindness. That night, she wrote in her English journal, "Helping others makes me feel warm inside. It's a kind of happiness that words can't explain." Repeat after me slowly 3 times each. Could you please help me with this? Let me give you a hand. Don't worry, I'll handle it. Thanks, that means a lot. I really appreciate your help. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel. Try using these phrases when you actually help someone in real life. When you ask for help, you show courage. When you offer help, you show kindness. Both are signs of confidence and maturity. In language learning, we all need help sometimes. A teacher's guidance, a friend's correction, or even a video like this one. And that's okay, because asking for help doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. Remember, fluent English is not only about perfect grammar, it's about how you connect, share, and support others with your words. Your challenge for today: ask someone for help in English. For example, could you please show me how to use this? Offer help to someone. For example, do you need any help carrying that? Write both sentences in your notebook and say them aloud 5 times. When you use English in real life, your fluency grows faster than you think. You did an amazing job today. You learned how to ask for help and offer help in English, skills that make you polite, friendly, and fluent. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Join us daily as we keep building your English fluency step by step. Tomorrow, in Day 17, we'll learn how to talk about daily routines and habits, a fun and useful topic to make your speaking even smoother. Keep practicing, keep smiling. See you tomorrow here on StoryTone English.